What's going on, everybody? In this video, we're going to talk about an insane crypto stock. That's right. A stock, a publicly traded company right now on the New York Stock Exchange that is diving deep into crypto. So if you want to get exposure to the cryptocurrency market in this form by investing in the stock market, we know that there are a lot of mining stocks out there. But what about something that is aimed at bridging TradFi with innovative exposure to digital assets and DeFi? Well, that is what we're going to talk about. DeFi Technologies is the name. I've made one video about this company, and they reached back out, wanted me to make another video, and I've got some really interesting things to share with you guys since we last talked. So let's start at the core, because it might be the first time you're hearing about this company. They are bridging TradFi with innovative exposure to digital assets. Okay. Now, we can see here that they've got some subsidiaries as well. We're actually going to go ahead and follow these guys. But DeFi Technologies recently burst on the scenes, and they launched their asset-backed Ethereum physical staking ETP for professional investors on the London Stock Exchange just a couple days ago. And if we take a look at some of the things that they have going on, you are going to be absolutely shocked. Recently, earlier in September, they filed their Form 40F with the SEC. That was a Newswire alert that got out there. And this company, a financial technology company pioneering the convergence of TradFi into DeFi, pleased to announce it filed a Form 40F registration statement with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. DeFi Technologies is a financial technology company pioneering the convergence of TradFi to DeFi, guys. This is going to be a huge area to watch when we consider that, crypto is becoming legitimized now, the blockchain, etc. With a dedicated focus on industry-leading Web3 technologies, DeFi Tech aims to provide widespread investor access to the future of finance. Backed by an esteemed team of experts with extensive experience in financial markets and digital assets, they are committed to revolutionizing the way individuals and institutions interact with the evolving financial ecosystem. Now, I've got a few other things to share with you, because it might be, again, your first time hearing about this company. I want to help explain what the company does to generate so much revenue, because recently they announced their Q2 2024 earnings, achieving its strongest financial quarter to date, 98 million. Record revenues of 98 million and 94.4 million for the 3 and 6 months ended June 30th. Net income of 66.5 million and 53.2 million for the first 3 and 6 months ended again, June 30th, 2024. So we mentioned Valor Asset Management, or referenced it there for a minute. They are helping out from an infrastructure standpoint to launch the single-purpose ETPs and basket ETPs. They've got DeFi infrastructure running nodes for DeFi protocols, DeFi Ventures. From pre-seed to Series A funding, DeFi Ventures invests in leaders, protocols, and networks that are advancing the ecosystem. So this is a way to get exposure without directly exposing yourself to the volatility of crypto. The main business driver is 100% owned Valor Asset Management, providing ETPs for the crypto industry in Europe, and is expanding now to new frontiers. Valor obtained their license early. This regulatory process takes years for new entrants, so they should have a leg up on their competition. We know that Anthony Pompliano, big Bitcoin bull, is a big investor in DeFi Tech. He recently went on Lex Friedman and talked about that. That is huge. It says here on their website, we believe that traditional investors should have the opportunity to invest in digital assets, including cryptos, in a trusted and secure manner without creating a separate brokerage or bank account. So this, again, a way for people to get exposure to the DeFi market, to the stock market, to the cryptocurrency world without taking all the risk and stomaching all the volatility. And this could be an attractive measure for a lot of people. Speaking of Anthony Pompliano, he said this about DeFi tech. He had a few things to say. He said, my best analysis is that this stock is wildly undervalued at the moment. And given the sector that it operates in, along with the products that it has on the market, there should be strong tailwinds through the rest of this year. So a quick overview, if you're wondering where the market cap of this company is, $615 million. They've got 40 million cash, 15 million in the treasury in the form of crypto holdings. Enterprise value is right around 570 million. If DeFi Tech generated net income of 53 million in the recent quarter, which we know they have, then the company's PE ratio is through the roof. Now, obviously, you have some thinking to do, some research to do. I'll leave all the links down below for you guys so you guys can sift through this yourself. I'll leave the X page, the website, everything you need to know for you guys to use this as a jumping off point and to see, what's going to happen here. As you guys can see here, there's some big players here. Some big players. Anthony Pompliano there on board with this company. Valor is that company we referenced. Issuer of digital asset ETPs. Simple and secure exposure through ETPs on the digital assets listed across European exchanges. It says right here, subsidiary of DeFi Tech Global. Unbelievable in terms of what we're seeing when we consider the bridging of the gap from TradFi to DeFi. DeFi Technologies right at the forefront of this evolution. So happy to be partnered up with these guys, hopefully continuing to work with them for weeks, months, and years to come. Real quick, before we get up on out of here, this has been disseminated on behalf of DeFi Technologies Incorporated, US ticker symbol DEFTF. Links are down below for you guys to use this as a jumping off point, just a starting point. Of course, not financial advice here, entertainment purposes only, informational purposes only, just putting you guys on this particular idea, this company. It's up to you to see if you want to invest in it or not. I appreciate you guys for watching. I think this is potentially a crypto stock, as I like to call it. A massive opportunity could be looming here for this particular company. Again, publicly traded company, DeFi Technologies, doing the most right now in terms of bridging TradFi into DeFi. All the links you'll need down below for you guys to use this as a nice starting point to do your further research. Appreciate you guys for watching. Thanks again to DeFi Technologies for sponsoring the video. We'll see you in the next one.